Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can easily get the coupon code or the promo code of the back market. So if you want to get some voucher code of back market, then you can go to vouchercodes.co.uk and search for the backmarket.uk.co.uk, and you can find this interface where you can find some different types of deals and coupon codes here. So here you can see the student discounts. Here you can get this type of discount from here. Simply click on it and you can find the details about the gift card from here. So simply let me show you. I'm not sure actually. If I go back now, you can simply click on apply all codes, or you can simply click on get deals, and other side it will open a tab where you can find the back market discount code, and here you can see a section where you have to simply click on that, and here you can find the discount page. It will redirect you to the discount page in the back market that you can use. Here you can see the same discount that you can get. So simply click on get student discount and you can find the discount from here. So from the vouchercodes.co.uk will provide you some codes and exciting deals that currently available on back market. Now the second one is Widelow. So Widelow also help you to get some offers for your back market. So there is no code here, but don't worry, you can get some more discounts and some offs or some savings for any type of some kind exciting discount and gifts also. So just like this, you can simply click on the view offer and it will redirect you to the widelow.co.uk where you can find the no code. There is no code needed. You have to register fee and this €5 gift. So you have to simply sign into the account. So it can actually redirect you. So here you can see it has just redirected you to the back market where you can get the discount from here. Now the third one is Bravo voucher where you can find also some great deals. So all of the is deal because back market doesn't launch the promo code or coupon code. They actually launch some deals, or currently there is deals available that you can actually enjoy from these three websites. So you can simply click on get deals also from here and you can find the code here. It will also redirect you to that page where you can use the code whenever you want to actually purchasing. So here you can see activate the deal. So here it has just activated deals. So you can simply click on any of them product, and if you are going to the deal, so this get deal button actually embedded with a link that provides you some discounts on purchasing on this back market. So simply whenever here you can see the discount here, everything has a discount from here you can see. So just like this you can just simply do it. So it's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.